In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a profile picture on your LinkedIn business page. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First and foremost, you need to go to your LinkedIn business page. If you're already logged into LinkedIn, you can find your business page by either navigating through your profile or searching for your company's name in the search bar at the top. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on the name of your business to access the page. Once you're on your LinkedIn business page, look for the Edit Page option. This is usually located near the top portion of the page. When you click on that, a pop-up menu will appear that allows you to edit various aspects of your business profile. Don't worry, this is a straightforward process. Now, from the pop-up menu, you'll need to choose Page Info. This section is where you can adjust various settings and details about your page, including your profile picture. So go ahead and click on that option. After navigating to the page info, keep an eye out for the profile icon. This is where the fun part comes in. You'll see a small image or an icon that represents your current profile picture. Click on that profile icon and it will prompt you to select a new picture or logo for your business. When you click the icon, you'll typically have the option to upload a new image from your computer or select one from your existing files. Make sure the image you choose is professional and aligns with your brand identity, as this will be the first impression many people will have of your business on this platform. Once you've selected the perfect image, the next step is to review it. Make sure it looks good, as this picture will represent your business to potential customers and clients. If you're satisfied with how it appears, it's time to save your changes. Now, look for the Save button at the bottom or the top of the editing section. Once you click that, your new profile picture will be uploaded and should instantly reflect on your LinkedIn business page. It's quite as simple as that. And just a friendly reminder, after you've changed your profile picture, it's a good idea to refresh your page or even log out and back in to ensure it displays properly. Sometimes it might take a moment to update across LinkedIn's servers, but you should see your sparkling new image very shortly. And that's it! You've successfully changed your profile picture on your LinkedIn business page. Remember, keeping your profile picture updated is crucial for maintaining a professional presence on LinkedIn. If you have any questions or run into any issues while following these steps, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.